back speaking with Mark English this morning from Auric Mining. Mark, morning, how are you?
Excellent, Andrew. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. Look, Milestone announced recently for Jeffrey's find exceeding $100 million here in gold sales. Tell us a bit more.
Yeah, we hit the 100 million mark late last week. Fantastic achievement for Auric, the small cap company. We're in a great place, as I keep on saying to you.
There's another parcel to be milled here, is there?
Yeah, there's 60,000 tonnes of ore on the ROM pad at Jeffrey's Find. We thought we were going to get it into the Westgold mill, the Lakewood mill. That didn't happen. There's been an announcement today that Westgold sold that mill to Black Cat 8, Black Cat Syndicate. There's the answer why we couldn't get it in. But we will get that into another mill, most probably in June this year.
So how much more cash are you expecting from Jeffrey's find?
We've banked out of stage 2 to date, 8.1 million. We believe that there is another 3 to 4 million to come. That will most probably come, Andrew, in July, August this year. Once the 60,000 tonnes been milled through a mill and all the gold sale and the final reconciliation of all the costs and expenses, then there will be the final distribution.
So all up, you'd be expecting to bank, what, 16 to $17 million from this project?
Yeah, that's exactly the number that we're going to get out of Jeffrey's Find. Somewhere in that range, somewhere between 16 and $17 million. Outstanding achievement for Auric. As I said to you before many times, Andrew, our cash cost is 1.5 million. That's Auric's all up cash cost. So we've moved our 1.5 to 16 to 17 million within 4 years.
Well, look, some more news from you this morning here, the acquisition of 8 new tenements in WA. Tell us a bit more about these.
These are a great acquisition for Auric, right in our sweet spot, exactly where we want to be. It's all the tenements are between Widgiemooltha and Higginsville. They complement what we already own. They're just near the Westgold tenements. If people look on the ASX announcement today, you'll see that there's a whole lot of gold mines, principally to the east of us, that have been mined by either Kiora or Westgold. Fantastic location, sticks with our strategy, got some great brownfields targets that we'll get in and drill sometime this year.
Tell us a bit about some of these previous intersections from earlier exploration.
Yeah, there's been some pretty good numbers. Nice and shallow, which is what you want to open pit. 2 meters at 10.3 grams, 9 meters at 3.3, 3 meters at 4.8. They're great numbers, and they're all quite shallow. So we believe that we'll be able to put further rigs in there, develop it up, and these are some excellent brownfields targets for Auric to progress later on this year.
And clearly, given this acquisition, doubling down on gold, you feel in the near term, gold certainly the right place to be.
Oh, Andrew, gold is exactly the right place to be. We are totally focused on gold. We are totally focused in the Kambalda, Widgiemooltha-Higginsville area of WA. We've built our tenements quite substantially since we listed over the last 4 years, and we're now quite a large landholder in this really dynamic gold space.
Good to see you, Mark. Thanks for your time.
Thanks, Andrew.